Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a word which is very small, but many people make mistake while using it in a sentence. So let's see which word is this. D-I-D, did. Yes, did or did not. So did is past tense of do, do. Did is past tense of do. When we are using it in a sentence, or when we have to use it in a sentence, we have to keep one thing in mind. This word is already past tense. So when it is already a past tense, with this word, we don't need to use another past tense form of any verb. For example, I did not go. Okay, now there are two ways of saying it. I did not go or I did not went. As I told you just now, went is wrong. I did not go is the right form. Why? Because did is already a past tense verb. And with it, we don't need to use another past tense form. Two past tense words will not come here. So I did not go. I did not eat. I did not sleep well. We will not say I did not slept well. No, I did not sleep. Okay, so like this, whenever we are using did or did not, with that, the next verb will not be in past tense. That's it. But it's a very common error which most of the people make. So next time onwards, you are not going to do this. Okay, thank you. This is Anushree signing off.